Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at MathKook.com. Let's MathKook it up. This example says, factor 12y to the fourth minus 6y squared plus y. So let's look at the steps for factoring. The first step is take out the GCF. So let's start with that. So taking a look at each term here, there's three terms. Do they have a common factor that we can take out? Well, looking at the coefficients, we have a 12, a 6, and we have a 1. So because there's a 1 here, that kind of limits what we can take out as far as numbers go. So we can't take out a common factor as far as a number goes. Now let's look at the variables. So we have a y here, 2 y's, and 4 y's. So because they each have a y in common, we can take out just one y. So our GCF is just y. So let's go ahead and take that y out. And that's going to reduce the exponent on each of these terms by 1. So if I took out a y in the first term, what's left over? There will be a 12y to the third. And in the second term, since we took out a y, there will be a 6y left over. And the last term is a little tricky. Some students just ignore it because they took out the y, but you have to be really careful here. There's actually a 1 in front of the y here. I'll go ahead and write it. So there's a 1 right there. So if you take out the y, there's still a 1 right there. A good way to check that you've done the factoring correctly is to distribute the y back in to each of these terms, and you should get the original expression here. So now taking a look at this in the parentheses here, you always look to see if you can factor further, but because that's y to the third and that's y and then a constant, this will likely not be able to factor, so we can be done here. So this is our answer, fully factored. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit MathKook.com. Thanks for watching.